Hello, and welcome to Kozy English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Ethan. Today we're talking about something everyone enjoys, ordering food at a restaurant.
Food. I'm already hungry.
Me too, but ordering food in English can be a little tricky, right? There are special phrases and polite expressions to use.
Exactly. Today, we'll help you feel confident the next time you go to a restaurant. And, of course, we'll learn some useful words like menu, order, waiter, bill, and delicious.
And we'll practice the common phrase, I'd like to have, which is perfect for ordering politely.
All right, let's start with a quick question for you, Ethan. When you go to a restaurant, do you prefer to look at the menu for a long time or decide quickly?
Oh, I definitely take my time. I always want to see every option.
Same here. I always say, just one more minute, please, when the waiter comes.
Okay, let's imagine we're at a restaurant now. I'll be the waiter.
Sounds fun. Let's do it.
Good evening. Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like to have a glass of water.
Of course. And are you ready to order your food?
Everything looks delicious. I think I'd like to have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like any desserts?
Not yet, thank you. Maybe later.
That was a great example. Lily said, I'd like to have, a polite and natural way to order.
Yes. You can also say, can I have or could I get? They all sound friendly and polite.
And did you notice the word delicious? It's an adjective we use when something tastes really good.
Exactly. Instead of always saying good, you can say, this soup is delicious, or that pizza looks delicious.
Okay, Lily. Now, what happens when we finish eating?
The moment of truth. It's time to ask for the bill or the check in American English.
Right. You can say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Or, could you bring me the bill, please? Both are polite and natural.
Perfect. And don't forget to say thank you when the waiter brings it.
Always. Politeness goes a long way.
Okay, let's do a quick mini practice. Imagine you're at a restaurant. I'll be the waiter again. And you'll order.
I'm ready.
Good evening. Here's your menu. What would you like to have?
I'd like to have a bowl of soup, please.
And to drink?
A glass of orange juice, please.
Excellent. I'll bring your order soon.
That was easy.
Yes, and that's the key. Practice these short dialogues so they become natural.
Let's quickly review today's new words.
Menu, the list of food and drinks in a restaurant.
Menu.
Order, to ask for food or drinks in a restaurant.
Order.
Waiter, the person who serves you at a restaurant.
Waiter.
Bill, the paper that shows how much you have to pay.
Bill.
Delicious, when food tastes very good.
Delicious. And don't forget today's useful phrase. I'd like to have.
Perfect for ordering politely and confidently.
That's all for today's cozy lesson.
Now it's your turn. Practice ordering food in the comments below. Write what you'd like to have at a restaurant.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Kozy English for more fun and easy English learning.
See you next time, and maybe at a restaurant.
Bye!